The Amazon rainforest is a truly special place. It is the biggest forest in the world, full of life. Found in South America, many rivers flow through it like giant snakes. The Amazon River is the most famous, very long and wide. This green world is crucial for our planet, helping to keep our air clean. Imagine a forest so big it stretches for miles and miles. Trees grow tall, reaching for the sunlight, with smaller plants growing in the shade. It is always warm and often wet here, with rain falling almost every day. The Amazon is like a giant garden filled with amazing and unique life. Often called the lungs of the earth, the trees and plants here take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This helps to keep our earth healthy. Millions of different types of animals and plants live here, many unique to the Amazon. Scientists are still discovering new kinds of life here. Each creature, big or small, has a role to play in this delicate balance. This amazing rainforest is a world of wonder. Let us explore some of its incredible inhabitants. Deep in the Amazon lives a powerful cat, the jaguar. It is the biggest cat in the Americas, with a beautiful golden yellow coat covered in dark spots called rosettes. These spots help it hide among the leaves. The jaguar is a strong and muscular hunter, moving silently through the dense forest. It is the true king of this jungle, with few animals daring to challenge it. Jaguars are solitary creatures, marking their territory to keep others away. They are excellent hunters with sharp eyesight, even in dim light. Jaguars have an incredibly powerful bite, able to bite through the tough skin of reptiles or the hard shells of turtles. They hunt a variety of prey, from deer and monkeys to fish and caiman. These great cats are also very good swimmers, often living near rivers and swamps. The jaguar can climb trees too, resting on strong branches or looking for monkeys or birds above. As an apex predator, the jaguar helps to keep other animal populations healthy by hunting older or weaker animals. This maintains a balance in nature. Protecting the jaguar means protecting the forest. This beautiful hunter is essential to the Amazon, showing the forest is healthy. High up in the trees, life moves very slowly. Here we find the sloth, a curious creature famous for its slow movements. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down, using their long claws to grip branches tightly. There are two main types, two-toed and three-toed sloths. Their fur often has a greenish tinge from tiny plants, algae growing on it, helping them hide from predators. Sloths live in the canopy of the rainforest, eating leaves, buds, and soft twigs. This diet does not give them much energy, so they move slowly to save energy. Their digestion is also very slow, taking many days to digest one meal. Even though they are slow, sloths are good survivors, with their slow movement making them hard to spot. Predators like jaguars and harpy eagles find them, but sloths can be surprisingly strong and can swim very well. They come down from the trees about once a week, usually to go to the toilet, a risky time for them on the ground. Sloths have a special place in the Amazon, part of the forest's unique design. Their slow lifestyle is a clever adaptation, allowing them to live where others cannot. By eating leaves, they help keep the leafy growth in check. Their fur also provides a home for tiny insects like moths and beetles. These gentle animals are truly fascinating, showing us that slow can be successful. In the murky waters of the Amazon, a giant lurks. This is the anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake on Earth, growing incredibly long and thick. Its skin is usually a dark green or olive color, with large, dark oval spots along its back, helping it blend into the swampy waters. Anacondas are powerful constrictors, wrapping their strong bodies around their prey and squeezing until the animal can no longer breathe. They are ambush hunters, waiting patiently hidden in the water or along riverbanks. When an animal comes close to drink, they strike with incredible speed and power, swallowing their prey whole. These giant snakes are perfectly adapted to aquatic life, with eyes and nostrils on the top of their heads, allowing them to see and breathe while the rest of their body stays hidden underwater. They are excellent swimmers, hunting animals like capybaras, deer and caiman. Sometimes even jaguars can become their prey. After a very large meal, an anaconda might not eat for many weeks or even months, digesting their food slowly. The anaconda is a top predator in its watery world, playing an important role in the ecosystem by controlling the populations of the animals it eats. These snakes are often feared by people, but they usually prefer to avoid humans. They are a symbol of the wild, untamed Amazon. showing the rivers are rich with life. Protecting their habitat is vital for their survival, and these magnificent giants deserve our respect. Section 5. Macaws and toucans, colors of the sky. The Amazon sky is filled with vibrant colors, much of it from its amazing birds. Macaws have bright feathers in reds, blues, and yellows. Their strong curved beaks crack open nuts and fruits. Macaws often fly in pairs, their calls echoing through the rainforest. Toucans are known for their enormous, colorful bills. The bill is light, made of a honeycomb-like material. The bright bill attracts mates or scares away other birds. Toucans use their bills to reach fruit and eat insects. Both birds live high in the canopy, finding plenty of food. They build nests in tree holes. Macaws can live for 60 years or more, often mating for life. These birds are intelligent and social, brightening the forest. They help the forest grow and stay healthy. Eating fruits, they disperse seeds in their droppings. This helps new trees grow, called seed dispersal. These birds are gardeners, keeping the Amazon thriving. Section 6. Monkeys of the canopy, agile families. The trees of the Amazon are full of movement, with monkeys leaping and swinging through the branches. There are many different kinds of monkeys here. Howler monkeys are famous for their loud calls, their roars traveling for miles. Squirrel monkeys are small and very active, moving quickly in large groups. Pygmy marmosets are the smallest monkeys, living high in the trees and feeding on tree sap. Spider monkeys are experts at swinging, with long arms and a strong prehensile tail. Most Amazonian monkeys live in social groups, often led by a dominant male. They look after each other, share food, and groom each other to strengthen social bonds. Communication is very important for them, using sounds, body movements, and facial expressions. Life in a group helps them survive, watching out for predators together. Monkeys help spread seeds, aiding new trees to sprout and grow. They are also an important food source for predators like jaguars and harpy eagles. These intelligent and playful animals are a key part of the Amazon's rich biodiversity. Section 7. Incredible insects, the smallest wonders. The Amazon rainforest is home to countless insects, more types than anywhere else. Many still unknown to science. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from tiny ants to giant beetles. Some are masters of camouflage, hiding perfectly, while others display bright colors to warn predators. These small creatures are incredibly important, performing many vital jobs in the forest. Consider the beautiful blue morpho butterfly. Its wings are dazzling iridescent blue, flashing as it flies, then closing to reveal brown undersides like a dead leaf, helping it disappear from sight. The Hercules beetle is a true giant. The male, with a very long horn on its head, used to fight with other males. Leafcutter ants are amazing insect farmers, seen in long lines on the forest floor, each carrying a piece of a leaf back to their nests to grow a special fungus they eat. Their underground nests can be enormous, housing millions of these industrious ants. Insects play many crucial roles in the Amazon, with bees, butterflies, and moths as important pollinators, carrying pollen from one flower to another, helping plants make seeds and fruits. Other insects, like beetles and ants, are decomposers, breaking down dead plants and animals, returning nutrients to the soil, helping new plants to grow. Insects are also a vital food source for birds, monkeys, frogs, and many other animals. These tiny wonders are the foundation of the forest. Section 8. Mysteries of the river, dolphins, and piranhas. The Amazon River and its many tributaries are teeming with unique and fascinating life, holding secrets and surprises. One of the most remarkable creatures is the pink river dolphin, also known as boto. Young dolphins are grey, but some turn pink as they age. Very intelligent and curious animals with long snouts, perfect for finding fish hidden in the muddy riverbeds. Another famous resident is the piranha, known for their sharp triangular teeth and feeding in groups. However, most piranhas are not dangerous to humans, mainly eating fish, insects, and seeds, with some species even vegetarian. They play an important role in keeping the rivers clean by eating dead or dying animals, a natural part of the river's ecosystem. The rivers are also home to the electric eel, not actually an eel but a type of knife fish with the amazing ability to produce powerful electric shocks to stun prey and defend itself. It can also use weaker electric pulses to navigate in the murky waters and find other electric eels. These river creatures are perfectly adapted to their world. with the pink river dolphin using echolocation like bats, making sounds and listening for echoes to see in the cloudy water. Piranhas use their sharp senses to find food, and electric eels use their special electric sense. The Amazon's rivers are a world of their own, full of life that has evolved in amazing ways, showing the diversity of the rainforest. Section 9. Our Amazon, our future, a call to protect. The Amazon rainforest is a gift to our planet. We have seen just a few of its wonders: the silent jaguar, the slow sloth, the giant anaconda, the colorful birds, the playful monkeys, the tiny insects, and the mysterious creatures of the river. Each one plays a part in this great web of life. This forest is essential for the health of our Earth, giving us clean air and fresh water. But this precious world is in danger, with large parts of the rainforest being cut down. Trees are removed for farming, cattle, or roads and new towns, causing animals to lose their homes and food sources to vanish. The climate is also changing, making things harder, with rains not coming as they used to. The forest and its creatures face many threats. Protecting the Amazon is crucial for the animals that live there, the people who call it home, and all of us everywhere. Indigenous communities have lived here for centuries with a deep knowledge of the forest. We need the Amazon to help fight climate change, and for its rich biodiversity for our future. Many medicines come from rainforest plants, and there is still so much to learn from this place. We can all help to protect the Amazon by learning more about it, sharing its story, supporting organizations working to save it, and making choices that are kind to our planet by using less and wasting less. Every small action can make a difference. The future of the Amazon depends on us. Let us work together to keep it safe for the amazing animals, the wonderful plants, and all generations to come. This incredible rainforest is worth saving.